Hey goons, what's good? Good morning. Yeah.
I had to take that other song off because it was getting me copyrighted and we can't have that. I couldn't think of another song, so this is what you get. I hope you enjoyed the video though. Subscribe.
So right now it's 8:48 a.m. I'm out here in these streets. Got a couple of errands to run, couple of people to see, you know, couple of stops to make. So I'm out early, about to get my day started. I need to go to the what's it called? What's it called? I need to go to the Salvation Army because I have a trunk full of clothes that I was trying to give away to the needy, but I ain't been seeing nobody in need. It has just been in my trunk ever since I went downtown to give back to the homeless. The clothes been in my trunk, and that was at least 2 to 3 months ago. And so I was just like, okay, I'm gonna keep them in my trunk, just in case I see somebody out here, you know, in need of a blanket, in need of some pants or something. But I don't know why I'm not seeing anybody. And at this point, my trunk is just full with clothes, and they got to get out of there. I pop my trunk, people probably think I'm living in here. All right, like, why she got all them clothes in there? I think she lives in there. Like, so I'm just, plus I don't got no room to put nothing in my trunk. If I ever need to, I have no room because it's full of clothes, you know. So I'm going to the Salvation Army, and then I'm going to go see my friend's baby. She's a new mom. Baby is like probably like less than a month. I believe he's less than a month. So I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna go see that new baby, okay? And then I'm supposed to link up with the bestie. She wants to hang out. So I'm gonna see what's up with that. I know last night when I ended that other vlog, I was like, oh, I'm about to take these braids out. Okay, let me tell y'all something. Number one, I'm a procrastinator, okay? Number two, it's always something to do. And I should have just did it on Saturday when I got off work, like I said, because then yesterday I was out and around. Today I'm gonna be out and around. So I mean, I'm gonna take them out before tomorrow for sure, but they're definitely coming out today, okay? So that is why I am out early, so I can go get what I need to get done out the way, make my stops, have my hangouts, get back home, take out my hair, wash it, and get ready for work tomorrow. But it's definitely coming out today. My head is itching like crazy, and it's just time for him to come out. All right, now anyway, I cannot believe that I just been sitting here talking for 3 minutes. It's ridiculous. See y'all when I get to my desktop. Just got to my Amiga house first because she about to do my lashes. She finna hook me up. Y'all, I'm a winter baby. I love the winter, fall, you know, cold seasons, but I'm gonna tell you this right now. I'm so tired of being cold. I'm freezing. I'm tired of being cold. This is the first time in my life that I ever remember saying, like, where's the summer? I'm ready for the heat, because baby, I'm freezing. I always hate these. Let's see if I just press it. I think that worked. I guess so. Oh, it worked. Yes. Access granted. It's so cold. I hope I remember how to get there. Y'all, so I made it to the right house. Let me tell y'all, I was knocking on the wrong door. I'm just like, knock, knock, hello. Like, why she ain't picking up? I mean, why she ain't picking up? Why she ain't opening up this door? Okay, I just told her I'm outside. I'm knocking on the wrong door, and I tried to open it. Luckily, their door was locked, because I probably would have walked right in there like, oh, hey, what's going on? But yeah, she about to hook me up real quick with the lashes turned up. I'm so happy she had the heater on in here, y'all, because I was cold as fuck. I walked in here like, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Because it's cold outside. But for real. It's about to die on my bitch ass. She got me right together, y'all. Look at my lashes looking bomb. Okay, yes, sis. Hide Jamaica, hide your kids. Now keep your kids. I just laugh. But no, she got me right together. Lashes by E. Holla. So I just got to the Salvation Army. I'm about to go in here and see what it do. Number one, I'm about to see if they can come outside and get it. Okay, cause you know your girl ain't trying to carry all this stuff in there, and it's a lot of stuff, baby. It's a lot of stuff. I'm about to show y'all what's all in my trunk right now. Okay. Like, look at all this stuff. I got blankets, I got fucking baby pillows, I got bags and bags of clothes. Like, yeah, they need to come on out here and get this shit. Hi. So, if I got some clothes and stuff I'm trying to bring in here, how that work? Just bring them on in? Okay. Huh? Sure. I'll take one. Okay, so I'll just bring it right here? Okay. So the whole them coming outside to help me get it was out. I gotta carry this shit in by myself. It's bullshit. Show me the way to surrender my heart. Girl, I'm so lost. Teach me how to love.
My name is Lindsay. I may look familiar because I'm the girl of your dreams.
That's my pickup line all 2019, bruh. That is funny. Oh shit, I'm still zoomed in. I'm like, what the hell? I'm so close to go on.
Now you're faced with this decision. Send someone home and add Lindsay to our group.
I may look familiar because I'm the girl of your dreams. Okay, that's what I'm picking up. How I'm picking up niggas all 2019. Okay, over here with the bestie. Okay, she got me over here watching. What is this called? Paradise Island? Temptation Island. We watching Temptation Island. It's so funny, low key. We just hanging, chilling, vibing. Y'all see my last shit on here, like.
We've been trying to connect with
I don't know. I wouldn't be able to deal with none of these guys, honestly. I seen only one that I was like, okay. That I was like, okay, I can deal with that. The rest of them, they gotta go. He looks stupid.
Have decided to make a trade.
Oh, they about to trade.
I'm definitely worried about going home because I technically.
First of all, I would have traded one of their asses out.
Wiggy gotta go.
It's tough. I mean, I've never had to fire anybody, but Kathleen, we gotta let you go.
Bye, Romaine.
Shut up.
She was sad.
She's like, oh fuck.
Assume mama couldn't give it to me, had to get it in suits. No one really knows how I got it in shoes. I was covered in diamonds, now I'm dripping in jewels. A bitch play with my money, might as well spend in my food.
Hey y'all, what's good? Welcome back, should I say? Oh gosh, there's something in my eye. So right now, I am just cleaning up. It is a house clean type of day, and I'm going to wash my hair because I took out those braids last night, finally, which I told y'all I was going to do. I said they was coming out, period, okay? So I took out my braids, and now I'm cleaning up. I'm waiting for my water to finish boiling so I can mop my floors. Does anybody else boil water to mop their floors? I've always done it. To me, it just makes the floor seem so much cleaner when I boil me a big ass pot of water and use it to mop the floor. So I'm just waiting for the water to finish boiling so that I can mop my whole entire house. That's the one thing I hate about having hardwood floors and things. Like, you gotta mop the whole house, okay? So that is what I'm waiting for. You know, hot water, a little bleach. Floor is about to be squeaky, okay? So my room is a mess because I was looking for clothes the other day. I'm shredding paper. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm shredding some papers. I just folded some clothes. I'm just out here getting clean. You feel me? I'm just out here making sure my palace is clean. You feel me? Because can't nobody be dealing with that. You know, I was going through a lot of jackets the other day, like, ooh, which one do I want to wear? So now I got a pile of jackets that I need to hang up and whatnot. So I have laundry to do and everything. I have to be an adult today. That's what it comes down to. I'm adulting. You feel me? Cleaning up the messes I've made within the last couple of days. Okay, because I did clean it up, then I was looking for stuff, now it's back dirty. You feel me? I don't know if y'all can see that hole in my pants, but yes, let's get it out the way. I have a hole. Okay. So that's pretty much my day of what I have going on. Just vibing out to some music. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, vibing out to music, cleaning up, handling my work. You feel me? I got a couple of vlogs to edit, including this one. I think I'm just going to add it to the end of my yesterday's vlog because I don't feel like I got enough minutes for y'all. So, sorry, I got y'all on my big ass tripod. So I got to get around with the big ass tripod. Okay. So this is the water. It's almost done with the boil. You feel me? I like my water steaming hot. Okay, so I'm boiling my water, put some bleach in it, some pine salt for that piney smell, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, so that's what your girl about to do. Oh, it's still open. My crazy glue, it kept like getting clogged at the top, so I kept having to cut it. I thought it was over with, but I hear the little air coming through. So I think we still good. And I broke the little pin to go in there, so bobby pin. Okay. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing, y'all. I'll come back and update y'all throughout the day as I'm done doing all this. But I don't want to get distracted. I don't want to get too lazy. I just want to come touch some bases. You feel me? So I touch some bases and let me get back to what I do. Okay, let me turn my music back on. What we listening to? Cardi.
Only person in my fam to see 6 figures. The pressure on your shoulders feel like boulders. Where you gotta make sure that everybody's straight. Bitches standing in your back while they smiling in your face. Talking crazy on your name, trying not to get your case. I waited my whole life.
So I dropped some stuff off at the Salvation Army yesterday, but I'm about to go through all my stuff again and get rid of some more stuff. I hate clutter. I don't like to feel like I'm being smothered by a lot of stuff. So I'm about to go through all my drawers again, my closet, everything, and see if I got some more stuff that needs to go. You know what I'm saying? It's no sense of it sitting around here if I'm not going to use it. So, update or whatever. I washed my hair. That's why I got my hood on. Put a little plastic bag on it. Put a hood on. Let it do what it's going to do in there. Marinate. Okay? So, I'm letting that do that. It's almost time for me to rinse it out, though. It almost been in there for like an hour. So I'm about to rinse this out. And I'm also watching the Kevin Hart Black History thing on Netflix. And trying to see what's good with my freaking laptop because it's acting crazy. I was supposed to have been done editing the video by now and probably have it up. But my laptop is I don't know where y'all was looking at, my bad. But my laptop is acting like a hoe, okay? And it keeps telling me I'm out of storage. But literally, I have nothing on my computer. I took everything off. I put it on my external drive. I called the Apple store, which I just got off the phone with them so they could try to help me. But basically, they said I have to take it. But basically, they said I have to take it into the store because the troubleshooting stuff he was trying to do over the phone was not working. So I have to wait for my appointment, which is next Monday, so I can go in there and see what they tell me. The only thing I'm mad about right now is that I'm trying to get my edit on and I'm trying to have videos put out and it's just not working the right way. You know what I'm saying? So that's what's really irritating me because I had a lot of stuff to do on this here laptop, but it's not acting right, okay? So forgive me if y'all don't have a vlog for me until after I take my MacBook to the Mac store. But I'm gonna try and see what I can do to get this work out to y'all, okay? I went through all my drawers again. This is all the clothes that I found that I do not want anymore. So I have another bag to take to the Salvation Army, and I still got a couple of more drawers to go through, so I'm about to do that, see if I got some more clothes I want to give out. See if it's some more clothes I would like to get rid of after I rinse this out my hair. And it feels so good to wash my hair, honestly. Those braids, all of the edge control had my hair screwed up, okay? So it feels good to wash my hair. And I'm gonna vacuum. I'm about to cook some dinner. And that's it. That's it, really. But I just want to come back and give y'all a little update. What is it?
Suppose this calls for a celebration.
But I just wanted to come back and give y'all an update on my day and what I've been doing. Just been cleaning up, washing hair, trying to edit, but that damn laptop acting funny. So I don't know. This might be the end of the vlog, but who knows if it is. Hope you made it to the end of it. If you did, you know what to do. And if you know what to do, then I fuck with you. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see more of me. And if you don't, then don't, but you know I fucking appreciate it. Hey! Sorry I'm looking like an asshole right now, but you gotta do what you gotta do when you want your hair to be nice and moisturized. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying. Cause my hair, I got African booty scratcher hair. Like my shit is rough. So I'm trying to put some moisture in it. But anyway, I'm gonna go and get up out of here, I think. If I got something else to say, I'm gonna be back. But if I don't, I'm gonna see y'all next time. Alright, goons. I love y'all. Peace.
It's the night of your life. Girl, put on your pretty ass dress. It's the night of your life. Girl, you gon' forget your stress. How could it treat you that way? You the kind of girl a nigga dream about, yeah. You ain't even got flows that could look at you all day.